So this video is for people who doesn't know how to use a Decathlon bike pump to inflate football. So this is from Decathlon, and I'm going to use this needle. This needle again is from Decathlon, and I'm just showing you how to use this needle to inflate your football. So let's just show you how everything works. So in this one, when you open the screw, the two little adapter comes out, so you need to change it in order to use it with needle, right? Because this is all set for a bike, so you need to change from bike to football, right? So that's the two little adapter inside, one with the small hole inside here on this side, and then there's a bigger for the bike. And then there is this adapter here, little one. Just showing you so you can basically follow the video, right? So you see the diameter is small here, diameter is bigger here on this side. So for football, we are gonna put this side into this side, right? That into a bigger diameter right here. Okay, but before that we'll insert our needle. So the needle, okay, and then our adapter. So that's how it looks. Now into the pump, right? Now screw on, get the ball. Okay, here. So insert your needle first, make sure it goes all the way, not in between, right? Now open this, and that's it. That's it. So looks like enough. So that's your football ready. Thank you for watching, and share this video. Thanks a lot. You can put all this back for your bike. Take the needle out. Right, keep your needle safe and put this back for your bike, right? So again, the larger diameter, that's for outside of the bike, and then that part goes into this side, goes back. That's it, all done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share. Thanks a lot.